What if you had a clear, confident understanding of your finances and the tools to actually act on it? Obsidian Metrics is a financial education community designed to help you learn, track, and grow. Not financial advice, just powerful knowledge. Most people in their 20s and 30s are navigating budgets, investments, and financial decisions completely on their own. No roadmap, no community, just guesswork, and it's costing them. Financial education shouldn't be a privilege. It should be accessible, practical, and real. That's exactly why Obsidian Metrics exists. We're a financial education hub, not licensed financial advisors, but a community built to give you the knowledge, systems, and tools to make more informed decisions about your money. Learn at your own pace, on your own terms. Inside the Obsidian Metrics Skool community, you get access to 22 platforms, 13 proven financial systems, and one powerful tracker to monitor your progress. Explore the platform lab, sharpen your knowledge through classroom lessons, and join live Skool calls, all designed for education purposes only. Everything you need to build financial literacy in one place. Ready to take control of your financial education? Join the Obsidian Metrics Skool community today. Please note, we are not licensed financial advisors. All content is for educational purposes only. Click the link below and start building the financial knowledge you deserve. We'll see you inside.